Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to download and install the Marvel Rivals game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after logging in using your email address and password, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box and then type in Marvel Rivals and start your search. Once you find it, just click on it and you will be taken into the games page. You can watch the trailer and check the reviews, and if you scroll down, you will see the Add to Library button, which you can click on and it will be added to your library right away. After this, you can just click on the Install button to begin the download and installation of the Marvel Rivals game on your device. And after it is completed, a shortcut will be created on your desktop and you can start enjoying the game from your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Marvel Rivals game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.